Hello everyone. In today's two-day faculty development program on topic the use of a ITC tool for effective teaching and learning. First of all, I am thankful to Dr. Bhongade sir and also congratulate to Dr. Bhongade sir, Principal Jivan Vikas Mahavidyalay Thugaodev and their entire team, IQAC Coordinator Dr. Yogesh Sarode sir, Dr. Sri Ramesh sir, who arranging the a beautiful the 2 days the faculty development a program online in a present the COVID-19 a pandemic a panic situation. So everyone having the eager to learn the new things, new tools, new gadget. Large number of the teachers they are participate in a different faculty development programs which is organized by the different institute colleges are there. We are very much eager to learn the good things, but at the same time in a short period we forgot everything. Today I am using the another a powerful tool in the ITC tools for effective teaching, learning and evaluation. The new ITC Gizmo TaxMoz build automatically a graded test. What is a TaxMoz? The TaskMoz is a simple and very fast a service for creating and administrating a test online for a student. We do not require any type of the registration for the test taker. It required the a very low bandwidth. It is a mobile friendliness. The free version has the limitations 50 questions and 100 result per test, no math support, question bank pool. It is not available, it is available only in the premium. The name of the test we required, you have to set the password, ready to create. You have to set the rules as well as regulation, add the questions, preview the test, and later on the test is published and share the URL with a student. The student can attempt the exam straight away, view result and generate the report in a different way. So this is some highlights of the TaskMoz. Now how to start the TaskMoz? Very first you have to go to your address bar and type the taskmoz.com. If you write it and enter it, immediately you get the screen of the TaskMoz which containing the certain capsules, a home, feature, pricing, frequently asked question, build a test, and the last one that is login as well as the sign up. So this is we do not use, this is used for the premium or the who having the membership. Now on this a green color button you have to just click it to build a test, to create a test one. Once you create it, immediately you get the another screen of the task mouse. So that is an sign in. Here you have to write the name of the test. So it is from your chapter 1 or the unit 1 or from the paper 1, paper 2, whatever may be, you have to write here the name or the test name. So basically I am a microbiologist. I am using the immunology paper, the sense of hypersensitivity, and choose the password. So this password, it may be the name, it may be the bike numbers, it may anything. So it may be the 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so you have to select this one. So this is generally for the a person. So I will use here as an the teacher's password, because the after later on the administrator or the teacher who seen the result of each and every the student, so now you have to be carefully when you are entering the password. So the limitation of this test modes test 1, so the 50 questions you are arranging one per 100 responses are there, not more than the 100 responses. Okay, now enter the test name, set the password, required to log in as a teacher to view the result. And the very important, don't forget your password, because it can't recover it. Don't forget your test URL. You will see it on the next page. If you forgot the password, no way to recover or reset. So save it carefully on your mobile by taking the photo or the snap one. Then when you create it, the button, immediately you got your dashboard. So dashboard having the certain task. So 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 0, that is an absolutely the critical, that you do not use this one. So you have to use 1 2 3 4, that will be the adjust the setting. So change the test name, description is there, add the question, publish as well as the distribute, and view the result. So here setting, add question, publish, share, view, as well as the result, they are get export the reports one. Okay, so this is your entirely the dashboard. Already we are giving the name of the test hypersensitivity of 1. Later on, in a setting a tab, that is a basic setting, test name hypersensitivity, write the introduction of your test 1, so the name of the college, name of the department, as well as the test 1. So here I am writing the Arts and Science College Pulgaon, Department of Microbiology, a test on hypersensitivity. So these are the certain tabs are there. So bold is there, italic is there, underline is there. Okay, and this is for the alignment, whether this particularly the function put on the right hand side or the left hand side is there. And these are the colorful. Okay, that will be the cream color, blue color, maroon color, as well as the black color. So a summary of the basic setting, you have to provide the basic introduction to the test and select the theme. Now next one, the question setting. How the test you look like, whether all the question put on the one page or one question on one page. So here, so there will be the choice, either the show all the test question on a single page or show one question per page. Review setting, don't put anything here. Show the custom message if you want, and click it the score button test outline is there, indicate their responses, display the correct answer and display the explanation. So summary of this page: shuffling question, that will be the randomization, option for user after the examination, and send the separate messages to pass as well as the fail a student. Now if I am selecting the second option, so show the one question per page, so you get the navigation setting, allow the student to jump around to the different question, so from first question to the third one, third to sixth one, 15th one, 14th one, okay. Or you have to allow the question one by one, so allow the question to the student to move forward only, do not go backward, okay. Don't show anything during the examination, and review. In that review setting, in a conclusion test, just I am putting here the remark that will be the thank you, okay. This is the question setting. Then you required entirely the control of the test one, okay. Who can take your test? So anybody take your test? No. If anyone, so then just click to the anyone. I will use this anyone, but I have to provided the password to my student of the final year student. So the fourth year student or the fourth sem student cannot give this test because they do not having the password. Or you can use the unique identifier, or simply they can enter their own email addresses. So but many a times the student can share the email addresses also, okay. Now how much time you have to give to the test one? So set the time. So I am selecting here the 30 minutes of the time, and the student should take only the one attempt, okay. So here the teacher having the freedom one, so for the time set as well as the attempting to the examination. Now the summary of this page: set the password to access the test, time bound as well as the restriction to the number of attempt. Now later on at the bottom of the page, so here you can write the your name. So your name means the name of the student, okay, and save the button. So next one, that is the question. Now here in a drop box of the insert, so there are the three sections of the question: graded question, ungraded question. 6 types of the questions with the grading, and the 6 type of the questions, they are the ungraded one, okay. So this is generally used for the survey one. Now the multiple choice: one question, one only the answer from the multiple. One question, many answer, so multiple choice but choose many answers. Additional feature of the Taxmos: here we get the advantage of the true and false, you have to add here, match the pair, fill in the blanks as well as the essay. So these 4 function, it is not available in case of the Google quiz, but it is available with the Taxmos. So generally we are giving the assignment, a small project to the student for the survey purpose one. So you can use this also in the survey, but this is comes under the ungraded, the questions for the survey. And other one, so this is for the premium. So the questions can get a pulled one, question from the file, you have to directly insert one. How many questions from, if your file containing the hundreds of the questions one, but the 100 questions we can't put here, and out of that 100 only the 10 questions you required, so that only the 10 question randomizedly it can get a selected one. The summary of this page: 6 different types of the graded questions for the auto grading, 6 ungraded questions for the survey purpose, and some question option for the a premium. So this is the facility with the TaxMoz. Another, if you selected one, how it look like the questions. Now the first question, I am selecting the multiple choice. Allergy to the penicillin is an example. So I give the choices type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. So this is for the shuffling one. Now these three buttons which is used for the duplicate, marks as well as the delete. If this question is not here, so you have to just delete the question is there. So for the saving, this is an auto saving is there. Don't use any type of the control S. Okay, so it will be the auto save. Now the summary of this page, shuffling the option, explanation for the correct answer, duplicate, that is and the clone one, as well as the delete the question. Now another, match the questions or the match the pairs. So you require the left hand side as well as the right hand side. Left hand side having the type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. On the right hand side, so you have to give the bits properly, so but in a random fashion. Montauk test, anaphylaxis, Arthur's reaction, transfusion, a reaction is there. But now you have to choose the proper answers also. Now the proper answer for the type 1, that will be the anaphylaxis. Second one, that will be the transfusion reaction. Third type, that will be the Arthur's reaction. Type 4, that will be the Montauk's. So here I am using the partial option, the credit one for the 1 mark. So each particularly the bits having the 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 points are there. So that will be the partial credits are there. So here the match tile or the style, that is depending one. So you require the numerical or you require the text one. So again it is depending upon the teacher's one. Okay, so this will be the another type of the question, match the pair. Another, fill in the blanks. Okay, so the fill in the blanks, you have to give the fill in the blanks. Point will be the 1. Your answer will be, out of these 3, if student write anything, so you permitted the marks 1. So student write in this fashion, student write in this fashion, or the student write in this fashion. Okay, so you can provide it the best possible answers are there. So student can write in any format. They can write the Richard Paul, so answer will be the right. So you can open the another add possible answers one. Okay, so option to the add alternate answer, the case sensitive facility. So this is very important when you give the fill in the blanks. Now once you are finishing the question of all the possible, that will be the 6 type. One will be the match the pair, another fill in the blanks is there, true or false is there, multiple choice which having the multiple answers are there, multiple as well as the essay type is there. So if you are putting all the questions in your test one, then it is a duty to publish your exam. But before the publish one, you have to take the preview of your own test, how it is look like, but it having the any type of the errors or not. Please check it. If it is everything will be the good one, go smoothly and then click the button of the publish. Okay, at the same time, if you interested for the hard copy, then download it as well as the print it. So the summary of this preview as well as the publish. Preview generally used for to check the error free, save or print the questions with the answer and explanation, and all set go, then publish the test. So then at that time you have to click on the publish button. Okay, if you click it, immediately your test will get published with having the proper URL. Now this is your tastmos.com/3416828. Now you can use this a URL, email the URL to the your student, or simply post the URL in your class website, or simply put into the WhatsApp groups. Now this is only open. The close as well as the schedule, it is not available in the free version, so it required the premium. So the save the URL somewhere and share with the student. Take the test anytime or during the schedule, or close the test. It is depending upon the teacher. Once you are published it, your test look like in this task. You get the two login. One that will be the student login, and the second this will be the administrator, that is an teacher. Okay, so the both the password will be the different, teacher password will be the different, and the student password will be the different. Just here name of the student, it may be the Ram, it may be the Sham, it may be the Kailash, Shankar, whatever may be. Then the password for all the student will be the same, that will be the 1 2 3 4 5, and just a start one. Okay, so the teachers, that will be the administrator, can assess the result later on. Now once they are click the start button, now you get the certain particularly the screen one. So screen one, so you get the Arts and Science College Pulgaon, Department of Microbiology, test on the hypersensitivity. Student just continue it. So they open the questions one. So the question, that will be the match the pair, fill in the blanks, multiple choice questions are there. Student read properly, because simultaneously there will be the timer is get started at that moment. Okay, so student properly check the times also, submit the question one by one, and whenever the last question is, then click the finish button. Once you finish the button, student immediately get the score. Okay, so the hypersensitivity one, name of the student on your right hand side. Thank you, this is always we are giving one. So the student got the 100% marks and the duration of the time. So this is the result after the test one. Later on, now it is the moral responsibility of the administrator, that is a teacher, who always check the how many student gives the exam. Okay, 10 student, 20 student, 30 student, 40 student, 50 student. Okay, now if they are giving it, so here, so there will be the addition of the rows one. So right now there is an only the one student who appeared the test one, and he got the 100% mark. Okay, so all the questions, they are properly get analyzed. Okay, so log in with your URL as well as the password to assess the result. Inside questions wise analysis, export the result. These are the export to the CSV, point grid, response grid, and copy to the clipboard. So these are the three particularly the way of the export of your result one. So I am giving one of the example here, exporting the point grid. So the name of the students are there, start date as well as the time. Okay, so time that is only the 56. So this will be the time required one. So the percentage, and this is the point earn, and rest of these are the question by question it can get analyzed one. So the details of the marks obtained for each question, it can get shown one. So this is another test I am taking through the Tastmos. So hundreds of the students, they are giving the exams, and I got this type of the facility. Within a time I can analyze it. which student got the maximum marks, how much time they are required one. Okay, so time is get a differs one from student to a student one. Okay, so each and every the student response for each question, it can properly analyze one. So that's why it is known as the automatically graded a test one. Thank you for listening me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, I will thankful to Principal Dr. Bhongade sir, Jivan Vikas Mahavidyalay Thugaon, who organized this a wonderful 2 days faculty development program. The theme, the use of ITC tools for teaching and learning. I also thankful to Dr. Sarode sir, IQAC coordinator, Dr. Srirame sir, and the entire team of the Jivan Vikas Mahavidyalay, who takes the effort to make the event a successful. I really thankful to each and everyone who listening my lecture. Thank you very much.